Welcome to the Newton's Cradle simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the motion of objects using a device called a Newton's Cradle. The cradle has 5 steel spheres that can swing and collide. The numbers on the bottom of the screen on the right and left indicate how many steel balls will be lifted and released. Selecting the number 3 on the left side lifts 3 steel balls up on the left. The Start button releases the steel balls and starts them swinging. The Stop button stops the motion of the balls and returns to the initial screen state. The Low button toggles to a High button and raises the steel balls to a higher level to be released. The same or a different number of steel balls can be selected on the right and left sides of the cradle. For instance, 1 ball might be selected on the left and 3 steel balls selected on the right, and then released to see what happens.